Welcome to another episode of the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. My name is Jason Perkins, and I created this series because I wanted to provide helpful information to people who've been injured at work about Georgia workers' compensation law and the benefits available to them under it. Today, I want to talk to you about whether there's a workers' compensation settlement calculator. Now, the first thing before we get into that is discussing what is a Georgia workers' compensation settlement. A settlement is generally an agreement with your employer or the workers' compensation insurance company to resolve your workers' compensation case. In most settlements, the insurance company agrees to pay you a lump sum amount of money, and you agree to give up your future rights as to Georgia workers' compensation benefits. So once you settle your case and it's approved by the Georgia State Board of Workers' Compensation, then your workers' compensation case is over and done with, and the insurance company would pay you whatever settlement amount they've agreed to pay. Now, is there a calculator for determining what that settlement amount should be? Well, no, there's not. If you look online at different websites, you may find some workers' compensation settlement calculators, but most of them are going to be basic, and they're not going to take into account all the different things that you need to consider in deciding what you should settle your Georgia workers' compensation case for. Every case is different, and it takes knowledge and experience to know what all different factors should be considered in settlement of a workers' compensation case, and what it would make most sense for you to agree to in a settlement amount. So if you try to use one of these calculators, you're probably not going to get the right answer. It also, when you're dealing with the insurance company with regards to settlement, just because a calculator tells you that a certain amount is the amount you should settle your case for, that does not mean that the insurance company is going to pay that. Now, many insurance companies have developed their own complex calculators for deciding how much to settle workers' compensation cases for. Some insurance companies do not have calculators at all. But in order to get the most from an insurance company in a workers' compensation settlement, you're going to have to persuade them that your case is going to cost them a lot of money in the future. You're going to have to talk to them about why that is, why they're going to keep having to pay workers' compensation benefits. Because the insurance company's incentive is to settle your case for as little as possible. Your case is costing them money. Settlements cost them money. Most insurance companies are for-profit businesses, so they would like to make as much money as possible. So the less that they pay out to you, the more money they make. So it's going to take some persuasion and also some knowledge and experience to convince insurance companies that they should pay a large amount of money to settle your case. If you don't have that information, you don't have that knowledge, then you're probably going to leave settlement money on the table when it comes to negotiating with the insurance company. Hopefully you found the information in this video helpful. If you have, please let me know that. The best way that you can do that is by liking this video or giving it a thumbs up. You may have other questions about workers' compensation settlements or just other things in general about Georgia workers' compensation cases and the benefits available to you. If you have those questions, I'd encourage you to get answers. There's two good ways you can do that. One is by visiting the Perkins Stuttered Workers' Compensation channel on YouTube. All the videos from the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series are available there, and you can subscribe to that channel to be notified of future videos as they come out. If you have some specific questions, a great way to get answers is to set up a free consultation with a workers' compensation attorney. I'd be happy to set up a free consultation to discuss any questions you have about your case. The easiest way to do that is by reaching out to us through our website, which is www.perkinslawtalk.com, where you can complete and submit our free consultation request form, or you can call our office at the phone number on the bottom of the screen. I'd like to thank you again for watching today. I want to wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.